students, welcome to Ajaxra Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss units and measurement. In this significant figures, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Significant figures. Let us discuss. A significant figure is defined as the figure which is considered reasonably trustworthy in number. Let us discuss with example. Pi is equals to 3.141592654 up to 10 digits. With three figures, the value of pi is 3.14. Up to 5 digits, the value of pi is 3.1416. So, the significant figures indicate the extent to which the readings are reliable. Okay. Now, we will discuss rules for determining the number of significant figures. All the non-zero digits in a given number are significant without any regard to the location of the decimal point, if any. Let us see this example. 18,452 has 5 significant digits 1, 8, 4, 5, 2. 1845.2 or 184.52 all have the same number of significant digits, that is 5. So, all zero occurring between two non-zero digits are significant without any regard to the location of decimal point, if any. See this example. Here in this number has 6 significant digits. 1, 0, 6, 0, 0, 8 has 6 significant digits. So, let us write this as 106.008 or 1.6008 has also got 6 significant digits. So, if the number is less than 1, all zeros to the right of the decimal point but the first non-zero digit are not significant. Let us see this example. 0.000308. In this example, all zeros before 3 are non-significant. Here before 3, these zeros are non-significant. Okay. See, all zeros to the right of a decimal point are significant if they are not allowed by a non-zero digit. See this example, 30.00 has 4 significant digits. Next, all zeros to the right of the last non-zero digit in a number having no decimal point are not significant. Example, 2030 has 3 significant digits. Now let us discuss MCQs. First one, more the number of significant figures shows more the accuracy, error, number of figures, value. More the number of significant figures shows more the accuracy. Okay. Next, if a measured quantity has n significant figures, the reliable digits in it are n, n minus 1, 2n, n by 2. So, if a measured quantity has n significant figures, the reliable digits in it are n. Okay, same. Next, now I'll discuss order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. The order of magnitude of physical quantity is the value of its magnitude round off to the nearest integral power of 10. First one, find the order of magnitude of 123 kilogram. Let us see. 1.23 into 10 square kilogram. So 123 kilogram can be written as 1.23 into 10 square kilogram. So the number before decimal is less than 5, hence the order of magnitude is 10 square kilogram. Next one, 6527 kilometers. So this can be written as 6.527 into 10 cube kilometer. So in this the number before decimal is 5 more than 5, then the order of magnitude, that is equals to 10 to the power of 3 plus 1 kilometer. So that is 10 to the power of 4 kilometers. Okay. Next, state the order of magnitude of duration of a day. Now discuss. Duration of day, that is 24 hours. One day 24 hours. In terms of seconds, 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. So that is total in a day 86,400 seconds. These seconds can be written as 8.6400 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds. So the order of magnitude is 10 to the power of 5 seconds. Third one, give the order of magnitude of mass of proton, where the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. Let us go to the solution. Mass of proton is given as 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. So the order of magnitude or nearest power of 10 is 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. Now discuss rules for significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant figures. See this table, number significant figures 16, 2, 1683. In this number, significant figure is 4 digits. Next one, 16,835. Significant figures are 5. All zero occurring between non-zero digits are significant figures. See here number significant figure 802. So significant figure is 3 digits. Here next 80,004. Significant figures are digits are 5. Significant figure is 5. Next one, all 0 to the right of a decimal point and to the right of a non-zero digits are significant. See this here number and its significant figure. These are all 0 to the right of a decimal point and to the right of a non-zero digits are significant. The number is 0.40. Its significant figure 2. Next number 0.030. Its significant figure also 2. The power of 10 are not counted as significant digits. Example here 1.4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 has only two significant figures 1 and 4. All 0 to the right of the last non-zero digits are significant figures. See the number and its significant figure. See here all 0 to the right of the last non-zero digits are significant figures. Number is 40. Significant figure 1. 410. Its significant figure 2. Next 40,240. Its significant figure is 4. All 0 to the left of a non-zero digits are not significant figures. See this, the number and its significant figure. Now here all 0 to the left of a non-zero digits are not significant figures. 0.08. Significant figure is 1. Here this left of these zeros are not significant figures. So only 8 we have to consider. So significant figure is 1. Next 0.008. Its significant figure is also 1. Next 0.0806. Its significant figure is 3. Here two zeros not significant figures. So 806 is the significant figure. So its significant figure is 3. Okay. Next, determine the number of significant figures. Let us discuss. Numbers are significant. 0.05718, significant is 4. Next, 93.26, significant also 4. Next, 2.35 10 to the power of minus 19, significant 3. 1.375 10 to the power of 9, significant 4. Okay. So determine the number of significant figures. 0.05718, left to zeros not significant figures. So its significant is 4. Okay. Next, now I'll discuss MCQs. The number of significant figures in 0.0009 is A 4, option B 3, option C 2, option D 1. The number of significant figures in 0.0009 is 1. So option D is correct. This left zeros are not significant figures. Only the digit is number 9. So its significant figure is 1. Okay. Next, the number of significant figure in 0.400 is option A 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this number the significant figure is 3. Okay. Third one, significant figure depends upon the dash of the measuring instrument, length, readings, number, accuracy. So this significant figure depends upon the accuracy of the measuring instrument. Okay, option D is correct. Now I'll discuss rounding of numbers. Now I'll discuss rounding of numbers. The process of omitting the non-significant digits and retaining only the desired number of significant digits, incorporating the required modifications to the last significant digit is called rounding of the number. Now I'll discuss rules for rounding of numbers. The preceding digit is raised by 1 if the immediate insignificant digit to the dropped is more than 5. Let us see this example. 4728 is round off to the 3 significant figures as 4730. In the above, the digit to be dropped should be less than 5, but given is 5, so it should be any digit less than 5. So example, 4723 is round off to 3 significant figure, then it is 4720. If the immediate insignificant digit to be dropped is 5, then there will be 2 different cases. Now I will discuss case 1. If the preceding digit is even, it is to be unchanged and 5 is dropped. Let us see this example. 4.7253 is to rounded off 2 decimal places. The digit to be dropped here is 5 along with the 3. So and the preceding digit is 2 is even and hence to be retained as 2 only. So 4.7253, the round off is 4.72. Okay. Now discuss case 2. If the preceding digit is odd, it is to be raised by 1. Let us see this example. 4.7153 is to be rounded off to 2 decimal places as the preceding digit 1 is odd. It is to be raised by 1 as 2. So this number 4.7153 round off to 2 decimal places, that is 4.72. Rules for arithmetic operations with significant figures. Let us discuss. In multiplication or division, the final should retain only that many significant figures are there in the original number with the least number of significant. Let us see this example. 1.2 into 2.54 into 3.26. After multiplication, we are getting 9.93648. But the result should be limited to the least number of significant digit, that is 2 digit only. So the final answer is 9.9. In addition or subtraction, the final result should retain only that many decimal places as are there in the number of with the least decimal places. So, see this example, 2.2 plus 4.08 plus 3.18 plus 6.3, that is equals to 15.78. Finally, we should have only one decimal place and hence 15.78 is to be rounded off as 15.8. Okay. Now, I'll discuss MCQs. Round off to three significant figures for 4.9283 is 4.92, 4.93, 4.94 and 4.91. So the round off to three significant figures for 4.9283 is 4.93. Second option is correct. Okay. If the digit to be dropped in 8 greater than 5, then the preceding digit to be raised by minus 1. Okay. So that's why it's round figure, rounded off significant figure is 4.93. Thanks for watching this video.